थैंक यू सो मच। आप सबका बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है हमारे चैनल को। इसी तरह हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, लाइक करते रहिए और शेयर करते रहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Welcome parents. After practice of lot of scribbling, once you find the child is through with 3-finger grip, he has got some flexible wrist movement, then after this we have to introduce patterns. Why we have to introduce patterns? Because before introducing any letter, before introducing any number, we have to introduce them with writing patterns, and these patterns are very important. Why these patterns are important? Because any number, any letter is the formation of any patterns only, and patterns will help them to develop their mental as well as language skills. So that is the reason patterns are very important. And basically in our learning kit we have got 11 types of different patterns which will help the kids, which help the child to understand the formation of the letters. First is the standing line, then second is the sleeping line, then we have taken the combination of standing line and sleeping line. After that we have got slanting line up, then slanting line down, then the combination of slanting line down, then the combination of standing line up and down. After that we have got semicircle up, then semicircle down, then there is circle, then there is a one very important writing patterns that is called strolling. I will explain and demonstrate all these patterns to you. While starting these patterns, we have to keep in mind that we have to introduce the patterns in this manner only. The sequencing should be this only. First is the standing line, second is the sleeping line, and third is the combination of standing and sleeping. Why we are saying we have to move in this fashion? Because in the all 11 different writing patterns, these are the writing patterns where the child will find it easy to have the wrist movement. Because in other writing patterns, it is somehow complicated or difficult for the child. So that is the reason we want to start with these sequence only. Now this is the first. This standing line. Now here you can observe that in this standing line we have divided the sheet into 2-3 parts. One we have just for the putting example, we have given we have shown one boy standing in the standing position. Second is the example of cloud and rains, and below this we have made a small boxes. And first this standing line pattern is in the dotted forms, and then after that we have given the blank boxes, right? In every sheet you will find we have given 2 examples, because when you will provide examples to the kid, it will find that they will find it easy to understand, right? So this is first is all about the standing line. Here what you can say is when the boy or a girl is standing in the position, so that is why these are the standing lines. You can relate those examples with them. Second is the sleeping line. Here again we have given 2 examples. One, the boy is sleeping in the cot. Now second is the example of the boat in the water, right? Why? Again you can give them these examples, and again the first we have given dotted lines, and after below that we have given the blank boxes. One more thing, important thing is all this activity has to be again done with the crayons only, not with the pencils. Third is the combination of standing and sleeping line altogether. Here again we have given 2 examples. One is the example of fence, and second is the example of boundary wall. After completing first 3 sets of writing patterns, now we have to start with slanting line up, then slanting line down, then the combination of slanting line up and down. In the slanting line up we have given the example where a person is flying a kite, and kite is flying in the up direction. That is why we are saying it slanting line up. Then second is the slanting line down. Here we have given 2 examples. One is the example of a ladder, and another is example of a slide. And third is the combination of slanting line up and down. Now here we can see that if while introducing letter A in the future, now we can see letter A is the combination of one slanting line up, another slanting line down, and a sleeping line. Now coming to the next set of writing patterns, we have semicircle up, then we have semicircle down, and then we have circle. Here again we have correlated all the patterns with an example. Then finally we have got the last pattern, which is called strolling. Now all these writing patterns, semicircle up, semicircle down, and circle and strolling, all these patterns are helpful while we will be introducing small alphabets to the kids. आप ये सारे पैटर्न्स घर पे भी आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। आप मार्केट से एक बिग बॉक्स की कॉपी ले लीजिए, वहाँ पे सारे पैटर्न्स ड्रॉ करके आप बच्चे को दीजिए, प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कराइए। अदरवाइज आप प्लेन शीट ले लीजिए, उसमें पेंसिल से बिग बॉक्सेस बना के सारे पैटर्न्स बना के आप बच्चों को प्रैक्टिस करा लीजिए। सिर्फ दो चीज़ों का हमें ध्यान रखना है कि एक जो पैटर्न्स का सीक्वेंस है वो इसी सीक्वेंस में ही हमको पैटर्न सिखाने हैं, और दूसरा ये पैटर्न्स को करने के लिए हमें सिर्फ क्रेयॉन्स यूज़ करना है। दूसरा, अगर आप इंस्टेंट प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग इमीडिएटली घर पे स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारे किसी भी सेंटर जो 150 प्लस सेंटर्स है वहाँ एक बार चेक कर लीजिए। अदरवाइज नीचे हमारा व्हाट्सएप नंबर मेंशन्ड है, आप उसमें अपना नाम और अपना सिटी आप भेज के हमसे भी कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।